Everybody, welcome back to my channel, Bosslady Empowerment, and my name is Erica Hunter Scott, and today I'm going to tell you the top 4 reasons why people fail online or fail in a business, period. So, if you are new to my channel is all about making money online, how to make passive income. I talk about marketing strategies, I talk about personal development and motivation. I talk about different ways to make money online. So if that is for you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on my content, because I'm uploading on a consistent basis. And if you are subscribed to my channel, or this is not the first time to my channel, thank you for coming back. You know what I do. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I wanted to talk about on why people fail online, because they have a lack of purpose. A lack of purpose. Anytime someone create a business, why are you creating a business? What is your why? What is your vision? Why are you doing it in the first place? Some people's whys could be they want to get out from working a 9 to 5. They want to be their own boss. Some people are looking for freedom, financial freedom. Maybe they're looking to make more money, or you might even be supplementing your current income. If you are working a full-time or a part-time job, some people want to spend more time with their family. Well, I'll tell you, some of those reasons I mentioned is one of the reasons why I started to work as an online entrepreneur. One of my main reasons was I wanted to show my kids that you do not have to work a traditional 9 to 5. In this day and age, I see a lot of people now who are making money online. Young kids making money online, and they're not going to college. They're finding their way in life. Sometimes college isn't for everybody. So I'm not knocking anybody who's finding their way in life, who's going out to be an entrepreneur, and this is what they want to do. They want their own business. And I also wanted to have financial freedom. I wanted to make more money than what I'm making now. I am in that corporate life, so I'm working towards getting out of my corporate life, and I'm transitioning. So I've been in corporate life for a while, and it's been kind of stagnant. You went to school, and it's kind of like, right now I feel like I'm changing. I'm moving to a different direction right now. So if you are the type of person who's looking for a different way of life, who's maybe transitioning out of where they are currently, I want to spend more time with my family. And that's another thing. I wanted to be able to spend more time with my family, in addition to showing my kids other ways of making money. I want to teach them how to be entrepreneurs. If that's where they want to go, that's where they want to be. So if that's what they want to do, they want to learn how to make their own money, then you know what? I want to be the mentor for them, And it's not always about money. I also want to be able to show people and help other people on how to make money online. I want to be a blessing towards other people. I love to see people succeed. That makes me happy to see other people succeed. And if I got something, if I can help them get there to do that, I'm happy too. Like, man. So the second thing, so you have to have a vision and a purpose. You can't just be going online, because if you don't have a purpose, then you won't have any drive. You won't have any motivation. So there's definitely need to be a purpose there on why you're doing what you're doing. And I just named some of the few of the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. The second thing is, the second reason why people fail online is because they have a negative belief. They come out the gate thinking they can't do this or they can't do that. I tell my son, especially my son, when he tells me that something he can't do, I always tell him, you take the word can't out of your vocabulary, because you can do anything you want to do as long as you put your mind to it. Stop saying the word can't. Because if you say can't, you've already put in your head what you're not going to do already. So you have to take out negative beliefs of just because you see someone else doing it, you can't do it. No, I'm going to tell you something about me. I was online when I was trying to get into online entrepreneurship, and I know I'm trying to do a lot more video marketing and bring content to you all. I was one of those individuals where I just didn't want to get in front of the camera and talk. Like, that was just a thing for me. I don't know why, but as I do it more and more and more, I'm building my skill set. I'm building myself, and I'm trying to personally develop myself to doing better and getting out here in front of you all. It's really not that bad as long as you just keep doing it and keep practicing. I remember in college when I forgot what class it was, and we had to get in front of the camera and we had to do a presentation, and our professor actually recorded us on how we talked and the things that we were doing, and it was very interesting to see. And that was years ago. But anywho, negative belief, having a negative mindset will get you nowhere. So stop thinking negative. Don't associate yourself around negative people. There's some people that's going to put you down, and they're going to try to feed negativity into you. No, those type of people can be toxic. They can be toxic to yourself. They can be toxic to your business. So you need to surround yourself around positive people. I try to surround myself with positive people who are actually doing things in life, people who are actually other entrepreneurs that we can feed off each other. We can give information towards each other and share that information amongst each other, like I'm doing today. Like, I'm trying to give you all information, trying to keep you all motivated. If you're out there and you're trying to get into this online entrepreneurship world, so if you want to start an online business, hey, I want to motivate. I want to keep you going. I'm keep you. Do not put yourself in the mindset of I can't do it. Just take the word can't out of your vocabulary altogether. Okay? Just don't say you can't do this. Don't say that, don't feed negative beliefs or have other people feed negative beliefs into you. It just doesn't make any sense. And maybe they're not happy in their life. Your dreams is not somebody else's dreams. Everybody on this earth is different. Everybody on this earth has a purpose, and you just need to tap into that. So, everybody's not going to have your dreams of what you want to do. So, you know what? It is what it is. You just have to just be positive. Listen to something positive every single day to keep you going, if that's what you have to do. You have to plant the seed, but then you also got to feed the seed. So you got to feed yourself. And so I just choose to listen to positive things every day to help me grow, to go forward. The next thing is that people care too much of what other people think. So, you're going to have some people that may be jealous because you're decided to do something different, and who cares what they think? I have a saying: who gives two shakes of a rat's ass of what other people think? If you are always worried about what other people think, you will never get in. You won't get anywhere. I'm telling you. Who cares? I have some family members that I have to tell that. Who cares what other people think? You are your own individual. God made us all different, and you are your own individual. You can't develop yourself if you're worried about what other people think. People are not, like I said before, people are not going to understand your dreams, and they're going to stop you from creating your own wealth and success. So you're always worried about, like, so-and-so said this about me, or they think this, and maybe I am this. No, be you. You have to be you in the process. Who cares what other people think? People are going to always say stuff. People are going to say some good stuff about you, and people are going to say some bad stuff about you. And you know what? I'm pretty sure if you're on YouTube, you see some negative comments that people leave of other online entrepreneurs. But do that stop them from creating their wealth? Maybe they're not happy, So don't let other people's beliefs about you affect you. So yeah, I've seen it, and you know what? I just choose not to be negative anyway, or spew negativity on other people anyway. Like, it's toxic. So Just don't care what other people think about you. That's the third thing. The next thing is, do not be afraid to fail. I don't know anybody who has started a business and who has not stumbled along the way. To me, that is nothing but personal growth. You're going to have some stumbling blocks along the way. But you know what? That is a journey that you need to go through. That is a journey that you need to learn lessons from. Nobody has ever gone into a business and has just went into a business and say and knocked it out of the ballpark. It don't work like that. I have an online business. Now I have an e-commerce business that makes me money every day. And you know what? And I have put forth the work in that business a few years ago. And it makes me money. I don't even promote the business. You hear me? I don't even promote this business. I don't do no kind of marketing on this business. But for whatever reason, the product that I have, it's still making me money today. And I had started this back in 2010. And it's still making me money today. And I don't even promote it. You know? A lot of it's just word of mouth. And I'm just making money. But I want to make multiple streams of income. So that's why I'm in affiliate marketing, to make other streams of income. But I'm telling you, just seeing what you can do online and being able to do it on your own time, that's what I needed. Especially I'm a mom and a wife, but I'm a mom of 3 young kids. So, you know, and I sure like heck didn't want to go out here and working for somebody else. And I'm trying to leave this 9 to 5 as well. So, you know, I'm trying to leave that corporate life because, like I said, I'm going through a journey and a stage in my life where I'm at to the point where, you know, no job is safe. So I wanted to create something for me and for my family and for my, you know, with my kids, that let's just say one day that my job wants to let me go. You don't have no job security today. Well, you know what, daggone it, I better be in the Grinches. And that's why I'm in the Grinches and I'm grinding now to build multiple streams of income. So if that was to ever happen, or the day that I do want to leave, I can leave and I'm happy. I'm happy of the decision that I made. But anywho, I got the subject a little bit. But don't be afraid to fail. You have to fail with something. You're gonna have to fail. Everybody fails, you know. And like I said, I look at failure as just a way of growing, a way of learning on this journey of entrepreneurship. I mean, heck, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, you know, some of the big wigs, you know, Warren Buffett, they've all made investments and stuff. And probably some of the investments probably wasn't even successful. But you know what? They were able to learn. They were able to learn. And even when you do fail at something, because I know I've started some things in the past, and I have started some other business ventures in the past, and I failed at them. But it didn't stop me from wanting to be an online entrepreneur. It didn't put me in a place where I think I can't do this. That's that negative mindset. Nope. You cannot do that. That's a negative mindset. Just because maybe this avenue wasn't for me, or maybe I had to go down this avenue to know that maybe this really isn't for me, I'm going to get into something else. And I found what I really, really, really like the most. And that's why I'm doing it. And that's why I made this channel, just so that I can teach you all great things and different strategies and stuff like that. And what's helping me grow as an individual. And hopefully it'll help you grow. But I had to fail at something to know that I did not like this type of business. And maybe not even waste my time with it anymore. So in addition to failing, you also have to be able to build your skill set. So something may not work the first time around or the second time around, but it's also building you and building your skill sets as well. So being an online entrepreneur, you're always going to be learning stuff. You're not going to always get things right first time out the gate. I don't know anybody who does. But as long as you keep a positive mindset, keep positive people around you, and have a purpose, and who cares what other people think, man, you will be successful online. As long as you take action and be consistent at what you do and plan out your weeks, because that's what I do. I plan out what I'm going to do on a weekly basis, Monday through Friday at least, or Monday through Saturday, then you will be successful as long as you keep going. And that's what I wanted to give to you all today. So if you like what I have to say on my channel, if you like what I've said so far, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and oh, one more thing. I wanted to mention this. The link below in my description, go ahead and hit the link below. That link below is what I use to help myself grow online and help me to build and personally develop me and learn different marketing strategies. So if you want to know some of the tools, it's like pretty much a one-stop shop, go ahead and hit that link below. Hit the link below. Hit the link below, and so that you can know what I'm doing in my own business and what's actually helping me to grow as an individual, you know, and learning different things. And I'm hoping it will help you as well. So other than that, if you like my content, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, rate, comment, rate, subscribe, do what you got to do. And I will see you all in my next video.